Good afternoon, family. We all family here, right? I just want to thank everybody for coming out, for all your support, and across this nation. We will get justice for our children. Believe that. Like Reverend Al Sharpton said, the autopsy came out. My son's death was ruled as a homicide, like everyone should know. And with that being said, let that officer get arrested and bring him in front of a criminal jury so he can get the opportunity to prove his innocence, and we can prove our justice. My son was 12 years old, just a baby, my baby, the youngest out of 4. And he is here with me right now, and this is what he will want me to do. I want to thank the nation and the world for the support, because that's the only way I'm standing up right now. That's the only way. And for everybody that don't know, I'm a mother that I keep my kids away from toy guns, water guns, BB guns, because boys of all color, they just like those type of things, you know. They just like those type of things. And 12 years old, had a promising future. May God bless this nation, all the families, we share the same pain, all the mothers across the world that got shootings and police shootings for their sons. Hands up, don't shoot. I can't breathe. Please don't shoot. I want to grow up too. Thank you. Thank you, family.
Undercurrent under the surface makes the mainstream get so nervous. It's time for purpose, but undercurrent under the surface makes